Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a meeting in Zoom in mobile Android phone. This is the Zoom Android version. So before you create new meeting, you can update first your app. You can go to the Play Store. Make sure your Zoom app is updated into the latest version. So you can search for Zoom Workplace and update. As you can see, last update is 18 November 2024. Is improve visual indicator, indicate existing calls, share content only view mode for webinars, and speed dial key support for shared mobile experience, and of course fix some minor bugs. So after you update, now you can open the Zoom Workplace and start new meeting. There is an orange button that you can tap and tap on start a meeting. So wait for a moment. So now you can try to mute your audio and mute your video first by tap on a mute button and start video button. And now you can use some feature like chat, give reaction, and share screen. You can use captions. You can enable or show the captions. Language will appear in one language for everyone, like by default is an English. And also there is a whiteboard. You can write something this like existing whiteboards. This is for like a presentation during a meeting. And also there is a notes, and if you tap on apps, you can set a virtual backgrounds powered by Pexels. You can tap this virtual backgrounds. You can change into the blurry one, or there are some categories that you can try to set as your virtual backgrounds. And also there is a built by Zoom, like a timer, keep control of your workday, music, play music in your meetings, group photo, takes instant high quality group photos. There are some features that you need to activate. Maybe you have to join a pro account in order to use this feature. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click next button below. See you in the next video.